Welcome back to Daytime Live. Now, I get the opportunity to talk about this, and it's something that I'm very passionate about, and it's very important to me. So, in January last year, I spoke about my issues with gun salutes on New Year's Eve. Now, last week, 5 people were shot from stray bullets due to gun salutes, and this is a practice that go on over and over in Jamaica and other places in the world. To every New Year, every celebratory period. People, and it's not that a lot of people think that it's illegal firearm holders.
That's what I was about to ask.
But it's licensed firearm holders doing this madness too. Like they feel, and the thing is, a lot of it is ignorance, and a lot of it is not proper training, because them feel like they don't really realize that these bullets come down when them just pointing at the ear and shoot. Like, I don't know what's cool about it. For pa 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 pa, you feel like you're a big man, you're dads, you have gun, you're bad, yeah, great. But these bullets come down, and these bullets come down with a force to actually hurt people. I've been talking about it on my page. Some people even annoyed with the fact that I keep talking about it. But
tell us about
last year, like, we were outside in the yard too, We were outside in the yard because we could see fireworks going off up on the hill and everything. So we were watching it. And I heard a crash in the house. So me figure say one of the neighbor, them maybe a bus clappers and one of them fly over or something. I never really pay attention to it. And the next morning when I woke up, I found some white powder on the desk.
What?
So I say, I wonder if I cut the ceiling, make out a gypsum, so I wonder if, maybe a termite up in the ceiling, I don't know. So when I look up, I see the bullet hole. Now, it's aluminum sheeting and zinc on my roof. Like, to know that a falling bullet can penetrate the zinc, penetrate the gypsum, and chip off a piece of my son's desk is right over my son's desk where I'm doing school, full school now, because school was online. So it's like right over the desk. Like, he could have easily been there playing video game, which I'm usually doing at the night. He could have easily been there, and it just made me realize that people don't really understand. Because, it's a practice that I talk out against all the time, but it's not till you see it, you realize the gravity of the situation. So I say enough people don't really know that it can harm, and it can kill, and it can penetrate people's skull, and it can kill them. Kevin from voicemail 10 years ago, when his daughter was born, a bullet come through his roof and got in the crib beside him, brand new baby, 10 days old daughter in the crib. Right beside her, she fast asleep. And the bullet got through the mattress in the crib.
Went through the mattress?
Yeah, through the roof, through the ceiling, through the mattress. And the little bit, and you see, 5 people get shot. I don't know how many of them died. I don't know if any of them died. Yeah. But it's really serious.
But the thing for me, to be honest with you, Craig, I'm going to be honest and talk my truth. I didn't know. Of course, I'm not the kind of person to be doing no gun salute and them kind of thing there. But I was one of those ignorant people that would assume, or think, say, not that it wouldn't come down, because what goes up must come down, but I wouldn't assume that it would come down with such force and such vigor to come through the door, come through.
People don't
I never did know, so it's not until you were talking about it last year, I was like, say what?
But you have people who don't even know say it come down, them not think about it.
You just go up and go into heaven and just keep going, or disintegrate.
Like, people don't really consider those things, because like I've seen like videos of people doing firearm training and stuff, and them tell you about watching your background and stuff. So it's not necessarily what you're shooting at that might receive contact and these things. Like we hear these things all the time, but I don't know how many people actually retain that kind of knowledge, that kind of information, because it's extremely important.
But like you said, it's not just the persons with illegal firearms. It's also the ones with licensed firearms. But it's also the ones with illegal firearms, which means that everybody is ignorant to it. You get what I'm saying?
And it's very important to keep talking about it and keep the conversation going, because like we need more campaigns. I remember last year Minister Samuda did reach out to me to do some stuff. So hopefully these things are still on the table, because we need to make these things happen.
So, Mr. Samuda, sir, obviously this is still a problem. So are we still doing this? Because like you said, nothing has come of it. So they reached out.
We need to do some stuff, because as I said, like the most important thing is education. People need to understand, say, it comes with a responsibility, and it comes with a serious responsibility.
Having a firearm, that is.
Yeah, and knowing about it, and knowing about safety. So it comes with a responsibility for people besides somebody who have a firearm or hold up the man and fire a shot. For say, no, they can't do that, you idiot, you know, so that come down.
Right.
Bullets come down. Like people need to.
So you're saying it's not just the ones, so it's not just the people with firearms, it's all of us around as well need to say, brethren, don't do that, where I do.
Yeah.
So what else would you like to see implemented? Like what else can we do? Like I think what you just said, it takes a village. So all of us need to be responsible and be involved in it. But what else would you like to see happen?
I'm not sure how much testing can be done. I would love if some of these people are held accountable. I think that would be the turning point. That would be the turning point.
Do you think it should be illegal?
It is illegal.
Oh, so people just not bother. No, but I don't know. It happens so frequently. I'm like, well, I'm not see nobody go to jail. If it's illegal,
it is illegal.
I don't see anybody going to jail
but
for
a lot
gun
of times
salutes.
these bullets don't turn up. These bullets don't turn up a lot of times. You know, them do the damage and then you can't find it. You know. So as I said, like it's more than a one-off incident happening and then somebody saying, boy, you know, me give thanks, say me alive, you know, me could have did that and move on. What you need to do is tell people about what happened. More people need to come forward. More people need to let people know that it can actually cause harm. Yeah. And it can actually hurt.
And it don't mean say you're wicked. It don't mean say you're bad. It don't mean it's deliberate. It's ignorance. You just don't know. Like I said, I didn't know. And it's okay for us to say, you know what, I didn't know. Now I know. Make it continue to spread the story. Thank you for sharing, Craig. We appreciate that.
For sure.
Craig need about 2 more hours for just continue to talk about it. But we're not 2 more hours because we're out of time. So we'll soon come back. Daytime Live will be right back. Stick and stay. We'll soon forward.
Yeah.